Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare callaloo. I know the vegetarians are gonna love this one, so stay tuned and see what Wagwan. So this is a nice green leafy vegetable. So no food associate callaloo with spinach. Callaloo, as you know, it contains a lot of iron for the anemic. So not only is this tasty, but it's also quite healthy, right? So how you deal with the callaloo now? As you can see here, we have some big stems. So the first thing you want to do, you want to remove the smaller stems off this. So at the very end here, you'll find that the stem is a bit older. So we don't want that older stem. We cut that off because they're very hard, right? We go to the much tender stems. And if you pay close attention here, see like it has a skin on it. What you do? Get your knife, go under the skin right here. Hold it like that and just pull it back. So by removing this now, makes the callaloo stem easier to chew, right? So this is all soft right here in the middle. But you have to remove this outer part right here. Because if not, each bite you bite into the callaloo, it's gonna be real trashy, and then you're gonna have like a paper feel back in your mouth after eating. So this is called stripping the callaloo. So not too deep, just so you see the membrane of the vegetable. So as you can see, this is easier to break. Look at that. So this is nice and tender, right? As you remove that skin off the callaloo. So you go through the leaves, and whichever leaf you find that has holes or insect bites, because sometimes even the insecticides can't really protect against all the leaves, right? So we just rip those off. Now to get the entire thing off. So what you do now, you move back the layers. So you take the smaller ones off the big stem, as I said earlier. You don't have to worry about stripping these that much because these are the younger stems. They're very tender, right? And that will just cook right out. But for the bigger part of the root stem, you need to strip it right down. When you reach to this side now, more up to the leaves, cut that off. These now where the seeds would be, you don't want that, so you just cut that out. We're working with leaf and stems. We're going to repeat this until all our callaloo is stripped and cleaned, and we'll be right back. We have all the callaloo cleaned up now. What you want to do just before you go ahead and wash, you want to sprinkle some salt. What this does is to help to get rid of whatever insects may be there, and it gives it a more defined wash, as if you're using soap but using salt, which is edible, right? So you want to rid of whatever insects are there, and wash this until it is very clean. Also gonna go in with a half a lime. Just gonna squeeze the juice over that. This helps to keep the callaloo green and fresh. Just run that on a cold water. Just gonna get a colander, put those right in, and just rinse it again. When you pick them up, you still have a little bit of dirt on it. So you just rinse that real nice. The bigger stems now, you're gonna use a knife, just kind of cut that right down the middle, not all the way, then you turn that and you cut that again. So you cut this in 4 equal pieces, like so, and then just gonna cut that up real nice. This makes it easier to cook. For the leaves now, you just assemble all the stems at one point. So you kind of twist this, hold it firm in place, and then you cut. You start with the stem, ensuring to cut them 1/4 inch long, nothing too big. When you're at the leaf area now, you can cut them like this, bigger. As remember, they're gonna shrink when you cook it, right? You don't want to cut it too fine. That's perfect. If you don't want to cook this right away, you can store it in your refrigerator after you cut it like this for up to 2 days, or in your freezer for up to 3 weeks. So there you have it. Forward, I'm going to show you how to deal with it on the stove. To start the callaloo, we're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We'll allow that to melt. Carrots, multicolored bell peppers, white onion, green onion also known as scallion, thyme, and a slice of Scotch bonnet pepper. No seeds. Over here I have some tomatoes chopped. I'm going to set aside my thyme sticks for now. Now our oil is at the temperature that we want it. I'm going to go straight in the carrots, being that it's the hardest vegetable to cook. Going in with the Scotch bonnet as well. That I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic. I'm going to allow this to saute and soften our carrots a bit for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my onions and tomato. Gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper just to get the taste up a bit at the beginning. We just want to get these to sweat a bit. We don't want to overcook them. Just want to soften them up. Just cook out all that flavor in the oil. So about a minute has passed and our carrots are a bit softer. And we're just going to go in with our callaloo. Gonna just add the remainder of our vegetables. So put that sweet pepper in and the green onion in last, because you know sweet peppers, they tend to overcook real quick and you don't want them to lose the vibrant colors that they have going on. I'm going to go in with my fresh thyme, tablespoon of butter. So my choice of seasoning, Maggi vegetable stock cubes. Now you can choose to use whichever vegetable seasoning you want, but this is the one I normally use and it has quite a lot of flavor to it. And they're like that big and we only need half of one. And if you're wondering, you can get these at any grocery stores, mostly in the Caribbean aisle. I'm just gonna crush that out right in the oil. Stir that in. So we're gonna put this on number 5 to cook for 5 to 8 minutes just to get our veggies softened up a bit, because we don't want to overcook our vegetables. And we'll come back, taste it and adjust it where necessary. We'll be right back. So that's what it looks like thus far. Just gonna give that a taste. So we indeed need more seasoning, and it's best for us to add it here more than it being salt from the beginning. 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Gonna mix that in. And at this point you want to turn your flame off, because as I said, you don't want to lose that vibrant color on the vegetables. And there you have it, callaloo made easy here on Morristan Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
Let me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.